Hi, I'm Sharon. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'll lead you step by step through the ABRSM Theory Grades. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets which you can download in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of this series. You'll find a page there with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best be prepared for your exam, and also how to make the best use of your time come exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel and share out the videos. And now we're going to press on with question 5 from the 2019 Grade 5 Practice Paper S. So if you turn with me to page 29, and we can look at this together. And I know I'm repeating myself, but I always do say, do have a go of this on your own. First of all, it doesn't matter if you go wrong. It's much better to learn by your mistakes, and then you can just erase anything you need to and have another go. You'll learn much more thoroughly that way. Now, these two questions are relating to various scales, major or minor, and if you've written out your circle of fifths before you even start, all your thinking is done, and this is going to be 10 marks in the bag. If you're not sure how to do this, if you go to my video, Circle of Fifths, explaining exactly how to write all of your key signatures down quickly and easily, just check that video out, or I'll put the link in the card and the description as well to help you there. So then, hoping you've had a go of this, let's look at this together. We need to write a key signature of 3 sharps. So whenever there's 3 sharps, it's always got to be F, C, G sharp. So positioning those in the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. And now we need to write 1 octave of the ascending, so we're going upwards, harmonic minor scale with that key signature. So it's the key signature to A major or F sharp minor. So we're going to ascend starting on F sharp. So in the treble clef that will be there. So stepping upwards, space, line, space, line. Scale literally just means step, so we're stepping up this ladder system of the stave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we've ended on every good boy deserves football, F sharp, so that's correct. Now then, we have to do the harmonic minor, so we've not quite finished yet, so we now need to raise the 7th degree of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's E, that becomes E sharp, and there we go, that's completed. Let's have a look at the next one. So this time we're going to write 1 octave descending of the scale of D flat major, but no key signature this time, just accidentals. So D flat major has a key signature of B, E, A, D, G flats. So I'm just going to sketch that there. And so even though we're not using a key signature, we need to apply these as accidentals. So we need to be aware of what that key signature would be. So as we're descending, I'm going to start high up. So there's middle C. I'll start on the D above that, stepping downwards, space, line, need a ledger line, space, line, space, line, space, line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ending on good boys deserve, so that's correct. Now then, if this isn't the clef of your choice, depending what instrument you play, you might find it easier to just sketch out the letter names, counting upwards. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, just to help you putting these accidentals in the correct place. And I know it sounds obvious, but don't forget the flat signs go before the note. You need to know before you play it. I know when you're writing it in words, you'd say B flat, However, when you're writing it as notes, it will become flat B, because you need to know before you've played it. So B flats, E flats, A flats. D flat occurs twice because that's our tonic, beginning and end, and then G flats. And that's that question completed. I do hope that's helpful to you. I hope it's helping you with your studies. I hope that you're enjoying it. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be super. And please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Please also do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available to help you there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.